Frizzy hair can feel like a daily battle, whether it's caused by humidity, heat damage, or just your natural hair texture. But what if you could swap the frizz for smooth, glossy locks just by changing your shampoo? In today's video, we're reviewing the best anti-frizz shampoos, ranked number 1 to number 5. These are tried, tested, and truly transformative products that can help you reclaim control over your hair. Let's jump straight in and explore what makes these shampoos stand out. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ouai Anti-Frizz. The Ouai Anti-Frizz shampoo is one of the most stylishly formulated products in the luxury hair care space, created by celebrity hairstylist Jen Atkin. It targets frizz from the root, offering a sulfate-free solution that works across all hair types. From straight to coily, this shampoo is packed with nourishing ingredients that clean without stripping and hydrate without weighing hair down. It's a go-to for people seeking healthy, frizz-controlled hair with a salon-fresh feel. Key features: Ouai's formula includes tamarind seed extract, keratin, and amino acids that work together to smooth the cuticle and reduce moisture loss. Its sulfate-free, paraben-free design ensures that color-treated hair stays vibrant. The shampoo also features the brand's signature fragrance, a light, floral blend that adds a luxe finish to your wash day. The packaging is modern and minimalist, and it comes in a recyclable bottle, staying true to the brand's eco-conscious mission. Benefits and usage. When used consistently, Ouai Anti-Frizz shampoo noticeably improves hair's manageability, reduces puffiness from humidity, and softens dry strands. Lathering is effortless, and a little goes a long way. Simply apply a small amount to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse. For best results, follow with a Ouai conditioner or mask. Users have reported smoother strands even after blow drying, making it a great base for styling. Usability. This shampoo is suitable for all hair types, including color-treated and keratin-treated hair. It's especially effective for medium to thick textures and works well in humid climates. It doesn't leave behind residue, so your scalp feels clean without dryness. It also rinses out easily, cutting down on shower time. The light floral scent isn't overpowering, making it a favorite for those sensitive to fragrance. Durability. Ouai Anti-Frizz shampoo is concentrated enough to last 6 to 8 weeks with regular use. The high-quality ingredients continue to benefit hair long after each wash, offering frizz control even on off days. Bottles come in various sizes, making it travel-friendly and convenient to repurchase. Overall, it's a long-term investment for consistent frizz protection and sleek hair. In the second spot, we have Redken Frizz Dismiss. The Redken Frizz Dismiss shampoo is part of Redken's highly regarded professional-grade hair care line, built to tame unruly, frizz-prone strands. Specially formulated with a powerful smoothing complex, this shampoo offers a daily defense against frizz while gently cleansing hair. It's ideal for those who deal with thick, coarse, or unmanageable hair and want to reduce flyaways, static, and puffiness without heavy product buildup. Key features. One standout feature is the inclusion of Redken's smoothing complex with sustainably sourced babassu oil. This rich, natural oil helps condition and soften hair, while also sealing in moisture to prevent environmental humidity from wreaking havoc. It's sulfate-free and sodium chloride-free, making it safe for chemically straightened and colored hair. The formula has a silky texture and creates a rich lather that feels salon-quality with every use. Benefits and usage. This shampoo smooths the hair surface, making it less reactive to moisture and easier to detangle. Just apply to wet hair, lather, and rinse thoroughly. For optimal results, pair it with the Frizz Dismiss conditioner or leave-in cream. Users report immediate softness and less puffiness post-shower, with better results over time. It's a go-to for prepping hair for flat ironing or styling. Usability. Redken Frizz Dismiss is versatile enough for daily use and works well across hair types, especially coarse, wavy, or curly textures. It's particularly beneficial in humid environments where frizz is harder to manage. It doesn't weigh hair down and is non-greasy, making it ideal for people who style often. Its smooth scent adds a fresh, clean finish that lingers pleasantly. Durability. A standard 10-ounce bottle lasts several weeks with moderate use, and a little product goes a long way thanks to its rich consistency. Regular use builds smoother texture into the hair over time, making it easier to style with fewer touch-ups. It holds up well under frequent washing and remains consistent in results, earning it a spot among professional favorites. Coming in at number 3 is the Frieda Frizz Ease. The Frieda Frizz Ease shampoo has been a long-time drugstore favorite, known for its affordability and effectiveness. Part of the iconic Frizz Ease collection, this shampoo delivers salon-quality smoothing benefits without the high-end price tag. Designed for frizzy, dry, or overly processed hair, it offers a hydrating cleanse that transforms flyaway-prone strands into manageable silk. Key features: its standout ingredients include silk proteins and pure coconut oil, which coat the hair shaft to smooth rough cuticles and lock in moisture. The formula is safe for color-treated hair and works to improve hair texture after just one wash. The shampoo also contains anti-humidity agents that resist external frizz triggers, making it a reliable solution year-round. Its lather is rich and creamy, creating a luxurious wash at a budget-friendly price. Benefits and usage: this shampoo reduces the appearance of frizz after a single use, making it ideal for those needing a quick fix. To use, simply apply a quarter-sized amount to damp hair, lather well, and rinse thoroughly. Pairing it with the matching Frizz Ease conditioner maximizes smoothing benefits. It also preps hair perfectly for heat styling tools, making it ideal for blowouts or straightening routines. Usability: suitable for all hair types but especially effective for medium to thick textures, it offers daily usability without drying out the scalp. It rinses easily and leaves no waxy residue. The scent is mild and pleasant, making it great for sensitive users. This shampoo is a reliable everyday staple that slots easily into any routine, even on a budget. Durability: even with frequent use, one bottle lasts about 4 to 6 weeks depending on hair length and density. Its drugstore price point makes it easy to repurchase without sacrificing quality. Long-term use can improve the hair's texture and reduce the need for additional smoothing products. It's a tried-and-true staple that holds up through seasons of humidity and heat. Taking our 4th spot is Kerastase Discipline. The Kerastase Discipline Bane Fluidialist is the epitome of luxury hair care, specifically designed for unruly, frizz-prone hair. This shampoo is part of Kerastase Discipline line, created to control movement, add shine, and smooth the hair fiber without eliminating natural volume. It's perfect for people with thick, curly, or sensitized hair who still want bounce and body but not the frizz. Key features: this high-end shampoo is formulated with morphokeratin complex and surface protectors, which help restore hair's homogeneity and offer anti-humidity protection. It's sulfate-free and safe for color-treated hair. The creamy consistency lathers into a gentle foam that thoroughly cleanses while maintaining hydration. Kerastase's signature fragrance elevates the experience with a subtle, elegant scent that makes every wash feel indulgent. Benefits and usage: the shampoo instantly softens and detangles hair, reducing breakage and prepping hair for smoother styling. It should be massaged into wet hair and rinsed well. Users often follow with a Kerastase conditioner or mask for deeper nourishment. It's particularly effective for taming flyaways, reducing curl shrinkage, and providing a polished, salon finish look at home. Usability: it's most effective on thick, coarse, or curly hair types but can be used across all textures. The lightweight formula doesn't flatten natural volume, making it a good choice for those who want smooth hair without sacrificing movement. It rinses cleanly and doesn't leave behind any greasy film, making it user-friendly even for daily use. Durability: although premium priced, the bottle lasts several weeks even with frequent use due to its concentrated formula. Its smoothing results build with consistent application, leading to long-term manageability. The luxury bottle is durable and travel safe. Users report it's worth every penny for the transformation it brings to hair health and texture. And finally, at number 5, we have Amika The Kure. The Amika The Kure Bond Repair Shampoo is more than just an anti-frizz product. It's a bond-building, reparative formula designed to heal damaged strands while also tackling frizz. It's ideal for those with color-treated, bleached, or heat-damaged hair that tends to puff up, split, or feel dry. This vegan-friendly formula brings salon-grade repair and smoothing to your daily wash routine. Key features: Amika shampoo contains Bond Cure technology, plant butters, and vegan proteins to restore inner hair strength while sealing the cuticle. It's sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and contains no parabens or phthalates. It also features sea buckthornberry, rich in omega fatty acids and antioxidants, which deeply nourish the scalp and strands. The consistency is smooth and luxurious, and it lathers beautifully for a sulfate-free product. Benefits and usage: Alongside reducing frizz, this shampoo actively repairs internal hair damage and strengthens weakened strands. To use, apply to wet hair, work into a lather, and rinse. Follow up with the Kure conditioner or hair mask for enhanced recovery. With consistent use, hair becomes shinier, more elastic, and significantly less frizzy, even in humid weather or after styling. Usability. It's great for highly damaged or chemically treated hair types but safe for all textures. The gentle formula makes it suitable for daily use without drying the scalp or causing buildup. It rinses effortlessly and smells fresh without being overpowering. It's also color safe, making it a good pick for bleached or dyed hair. Durability. The Kure is packaged in a sturdy, pump-based bottle that's easy to use and travel-friendly. A little product covers a lot of ground, so a standard-size bottle can last 6 to 8 weeks. Its bond-repairing effects become more noticeable with time, making it a smart investment for people who want long-term strength and smoothness in one. So there you have it, our top 5 anti-frizz shampoos that truly deliver on their promises. Whether you're battling humidity, damage, or naturally frizz-prone strands, one of these options is sure to give you smoother, shinier hair. Remember, consistency is key, and pairing the right shampoo with matching conditioners or treatments can double your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing your frizz story, or which shampoo you'll be trying next. Thanks for watching, and here's to smoother hair days ahead.